Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you guys missed me. So anyways, I know you guys read below and know what I'm about to do. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe if you haven't, like and drop a comment below. So let's begin. Okay guys, so first off, I'm just going to mark exactly where I'm going to cut it to make it a crop top. Also, I think, well, you don't have to do this, but you can mark the center or how much inch or half an inch that you're going to cut, and you're finished. Okay, I'm just going to go right ahead and start cutting it. Then I'm going to cut off the tag and fold the marina in half and cut from the center about half an inch or an inch, depends on how you want it. Then I'm just going to go for my bobbin and start folding the edges, the raw edges, and I'm just going to stitch that down. I stitch it because I want it to look as professional or as neat as possible. So I'm just going to stitch down the edges. For this guys, I just use a straight stitch and white thread. Make sure you reverse before start stitching in, because you don't want the thread to be come undone. Okay guys, after stitching the two raw edges of the marine, I'm just going to stitch the bottom. So I'm just going to use the pin to hold it in place, fold and pin it down to give it a more profesh or neat look. As I said, I just want it to look as neat as possible. Okay guys, after finishing the raw edges, I'm just going to start making the holes for my marina. So I'm just going to use the pin to place mark it where I want it, and also use my fingers to space it so they can be equal. Then afterwards I'm just going to just cut them. That is just simple guys, it's really simple. Just use the pin to mark them, and after you mark exactly where you want them, just start cutting or boring the holes. After boring the holes, I just started to put in the lace in the holes. As much as I wanted a chain, I didn't get it, so I had to use the lace as a substitute, but it turned out great anyways. So okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you like it and I hope you try this look. it is really sexy. Guys, this is a marathon, so tomorrow I'm coming back with you with another one, so make sure you stay tuned for more from me. Hey, so guys, until tomorrow, make sure you like, subscribe, follow me on my social media: Instagram Anna Miss underscore Shariah, Twitter Anna underscore Anna Shariah. It's below, I can't remember. Anyways, without further ado, please make sure you are safe during this time. Anyways, bye guys.